UMashatile ubeyingxenye yenkonzi yephasika nalapho ehlonipha umsunguli webandla lakwasiza abantu eLosteken. UMashatile uthi akakhathazekile ngokuphepha kwakhe ngoba uvikelekile njengoba ke amaphoyisa seqale uphenyo kulandela isigameko sokudutshulwa kwenye yezimoto zakhe emgwaqeni N12 ngesikhathi ephuma emhlanganweni wekomiti eliphezulu le-ANC eBosberg eGauteng.
What really happened is that as I was driving from the NEC, my car was hit what initially I thought it was stones. And when we got home, the protectors said, no, the impact is too much. They want to take it for checking because, you know, a bulletproof windscreen is quite strong to be damaged.
Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC ligcizelele ukuthi uhulumeni ufuna ukwakha ubudlelwane namabandla libe selitusa ibandla lakwasiza abantu ngokuthi alishumayeli kuphela kepha lithuthukisa abantu abahlala kuleli plaza ngokubafundisa amakhono ehlukene.
The work started by Umfundisi Stegen some years ago, ngabo 1962, teaching people to really help themselves, plowing, planting vegetables and all sort of things, growing a place which was just a forest into a formidable farming place that helps people, that feed thousands of people daily.
UMashatile uncomeka umsebenzi kaSteken ngokusungula leli bandla eminyakeni engaphezulu kwengama-50 edlule naphezu kokuhlukunyezwa uhulumeni wangesikhathi sencindezelo.